Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are doing a satire series on finance money laundering, placement layering and integration. We are going to see how systematically, the black cash is converted to white cash and how it rolls on forever. We are going to see it in a desi and a funny way. Before we proceed with this video, so this video is a work fiction created solely for educational entertainment and training purpose. Any resemblance with the real or dead or any businesses anywhere is purely coincidental. The content is not to intend or hurt or to defame anyone. Okay, let's proceed. So we take example of any Gao or village, okay, the Desi Indian village. Okay, we are going to see how the things are, converted, okay, from black to white. Here we are going to consider a Garib Gao ka Neta example. Prior to this, we already had two chapters. If you have not watched those videos, I request you to please watch chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, so let's get started. So route number one, converting from black to white. Okay. So we have seen in the previous chapters as well how the Netaji sitting at the top. Okay. He converts the black cash into white income. Okay. Successfully. Okay. So basically he pass it down below. So from the someone who is sitting at the top, the cash is passed from top. It goes all the way to bottom. Okay. It gets spread or splitted up. And then again, it is, getting layered up and then finally integrated. We'll see how. Okay. So the black cash, the income is split. Push the income through multiple accounts. Okay. And all the sources will show an income. Okay. So by this step, it would be shown as a white income. However, this would be shown as a inflated income. What is inflated income? Inflated income is an exaggerated income or an exaggerated amount. So let's say you earn 2 lakhs in reality, but on the paper you will show that you have earned 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Why? We'll see as we proceed. Then this white income, okay, which is the exaggerated income, okay, again to balance it out, there are inflated expenses which are shown, okay, and then they are pushed to the real vendors or to the shell companies. Then you pay some minimal tax over there. Okay, so after balancing out the inflated income and the inflated expense, whatever remains out, you pay the tax for that. Okay, we'll see how. Okay, so this see the system flow. So this is a monthly system flow of the Gao. Okay, so where the Gao ka Neta, okay, he has maybe 5 to 6 crores, but then he doesn't convert all that black to white in just one go, right? Because if you just simply convert it in one day or one transaction, you're gone. Okay, it's very easy to find it out. So basically what they do is they split it up into multiple accounts. They split it across no, the time duration. Okay, so let's say he has 6 crores, so 6 crores he will not convert it at one day. Okay, so every month, like even if we do 50 lakhs 50 lakhs, we can easily convert that black to white. Okay, then basically this is passed down below, okay, to the contractors, to Lalaji Jalebi Wala, Bolu Travelers, etc. The names are fictional. Okay, again from there are various contractors. Okay, so there is civil works contractor, there is electricals, there is Baba Biryani Wala, furniture Wala, etc., etc. So you can see the 50 lakhs which is passed from above. Okay, that is gets splitted up over here. Okay, so these guys, okay, these guys over here, this show that they are having a income. However, it's not their income, it's just simply passed from above. They are showing that as a inflated income. Okay, so and then they will also show a inflated expense. Now where to show this inflated expense? So there are vendors, so these vendors can be real or fake. Okay, for example XYZ Limited, so this exists only on paper, and these are the real suppliers. Okay, so basically they will give kind of you know what we can say, inflated bills or invoices to these guys, okay, to balance out the inflated income and inflated expense, and whatever is balanced, okay, so that is considered as your profit. So out of this 50 lakhs, okay, 40 lakhs are shown as expense, 10 lakh is balance. So basically you pay a minimum tax for that 10 lakhs, again pass it uh, okay, to some other transactions, or again that is passed to the some NGO or to some Melas. Okay, we'll see how. So you can consider a ledger book for the jalebi walas. Okay, easy. So these are the set of transactions which are shown. you can see first transaction, okay, to the cash account, this 3 lakh. Okay, how this jalebi wala got this 3 lakhs. Okay, so this 3 lakh amount was is not a actual sales, but this is a fake sale, or we can say inflated sale. So he's claiming that he has sold 450 kg of jalebi, but in reality he might be just selling maybe 4 or 5 kg. But on papers, those are inflated bills. So he shows that to the sales account he has a revenue recorded of 3 lakh rupees by selling this much. So this is just one fictitious record. It's very easy to generate kind of a paper bills, and okay, you can just show the money there on papers. Then there are few expenses which are shown. Okay, so he's showing some sugar purchases. Okay, but however this is a fake sugar purchase bill. Okay, 80,000, and again some fake ghee purchase worth rupees 70,000. Some maida shown over there. So basically these are inflated expenses. Okay, these three are inflated expenses, this two is inflated income, and we'll see how this proceeds. Okay. Okay, then we come to this section where there is no two creditors. Now, who are these creditors? Okay, or this Sacha supplier. So again, these are the same vendors that we discussed in the previous slide. That okay, these are again belonging to the same Netaji or his team. Okay, so to the creditors here, it is shown as 1,90,000. Okay, basically the creditor is giving a inflated invoice, then against that inflated invoice there is a payment, so this 1,90,000 gets paid back. So you can see the round trip of this black money getting completed here. Okay, and then your original cash was brought down after the payment. However, this cash itself was not original. This was again inflated or shown through sale of fake sale. Okay, and the beauty of this is that okay, your dr side and your cr side are balanced systematically. Okay, so not all the transactions are fake, so some are real, okay, and some are fake over here. So the net, or you can see the total, is balanced very systematically, okay, through his chalu accountants. Next, see how it looks for the other accounts. Okay, so there is Baba Biryani Wala, or you can say any XYZ mutton shop, cake shop, etc. So how their books would look like. Okay, so again they will have a cash entry over here to the cash account. Okay, 5 lakh uh, debit, to the sales account 5 lakh credit. So basically what he's trying to show that okay, he has got 5 lakh rupees worth orders. Okay, so basically he's showing here as a revenue to the sales account, means he's showing as a revenue, and this 5 lakh was introduced into the cash account into his bank. Okay, so he's showing a fake bill for 100 kg biryani. In reality he might be just selling 10 kg or a 5 kg, but he's showing a bill for 100 kg. Okay, so here also you can see the debit side and the credit side balance. Okay, and all this transaction, again the cash obviously will reduce, because there will be a creditor. Okay, so who is this creditor? Again the same reference. Okay, who issue inflated invoice, and then you kind of make a payment to that inflated invoice. Okay, so similarly the ledger book entries would look like for the other accounts. Okay, so it can be water tanker suppliers, electricals, furnitures, etc. So basically the idea here is they will show inflated income plus inflated expense, or they can show some inflated purchases, and whatever amount is balanced, that is shown as profit, or again that is again rolled back or carried forward or given back to NGO, or donated as a sponsorship, something like that. Okay, so in this case we are having rupees 10 lakhs balance, so we'll see how the 10 lakh enters in the Gaav ka Mela. Okay, let's see. So earnings from the Gaav ka Mela. Okay. Here you can see the cash or the ticket real sales is 15 lakh. Okay. From the Gaav ka Mela. And the fake sales is 25 lakhs. Okay. So here you can see again the black cash, 25 lakh rupees black cash was systematically entered into the system. Fake sales to push the black money here. 25 lakhs is pushed in. How? They are showing ticket sales. Okay, so you can see the real and fake, they are mixed together. So that it what it makes difficult to find out. So tomorrow, if there is some audit, they will show the real transactions. I mean, they will systematically only show those particular tickets which are on which there is a real transaction shown. Okay, then sponsorship receipts. So how this 10 lakh was received, we have seen the previous example where the 10 lakh from the various sponsors, like the biryani wala, the jalebi wala, etc. So they show a profit, and from the same profit they are showing that they are sponsors to the Gaav ka Mela. Okay, so again, these are kind of bogus sponsorship entries. So again, here you can see fake income or inflated income, and then there will be kind of a inflated expense. Okay, you can see catering vendor payment 6 lakhs partially inflated. So actual bill might be 2 lakhs, and 4 lakhs are forcibly inflated. So that is how the system is managed over here. Again, you can see 50 lakhs on the debit side and on the credit side. So this looks balanced, all looks clean. Now from here again, you can see the 10 lakhs. So the 10 lakhs which we introduced into the system in the form of sponsorship. Okay, so that 10 lakhs is again profit transferred to the bank. So this 10 lakhs which we got from the previous step is now entered into the bank officially. Okay, and the ledger book is also balanced cleanly. Now what happens is, okay, again we want to the Netaji wants it back to his account. Okay, so let's see how this white is again converted black. Okay, so from the Mela's bank account, the white income, okay, it shows some inflated expenses pushed to the real vendors, or it can be shell companies. These shell companies are again belonging to the Netaji's account or his Chamcha's account. Okay, he pays the tax on the remaining amount. Okay, and basically, so from the Mela's bank account, it may go to a NGO, or it may go to the party fund. And who is controlling all of these? Again, the same Netaji. Okay, so that's how the white to black, sorry, black to white and white to black is converted. Okay, with one set of one round. Okay, so this is just for 1 month. The process repeats for all the 12 months, multiplied by number of years, and it keeps running. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe, and I will be coming up with some more videos in the coming session. Okay, thanks.